ME31 series can be controlled by Ethernet RJ45 interface, in addition to using RS485 connection. Now we will take ME31-AAAX2240 product as an example and explain in detail how to use TCP for device commissioning. For this configuration, we used a network cable to connect the ME31 to the computer. ME31 connected to the DC power supply, DC 828 volt are available. Open the computer network connection and find the Ethernet connected to ME31. Click Properties, set IPv4 address, configure the computer IP, mask, and gateway to the same network segment address of ME31. For example, this ME31 IP address is 192.168.3.7, then the computer IP can be set to 192.168.3.100, mask is 255.255.255.0, gateway is 192.168.3.1. Download Network Debugging Assistant from the NA111 Serial Servers tool software on Yibert's website. After confirming that the ME31 is successfully connected, open the NetAssist software, select TCP client as the protocol type, fill in the remote host address with the ME31 product IP, and fill in the port number set by the ME31 product. Select HEX display for receiving and HEX for send ING. After successful connection, we first send a query command to check the device status. Accord ING to the return data, we can see the DI, AI and DO port status. Switching DI input ME31, we use a switch to simulate. The switch is connected to DI1 and GND. When we press the switch and use the query register 0x0000, we can see that the NetAssist software returns the DI port value as 01. After closing the switch and using the query command, we can see that the NetAssist software returns the DI port value as 00. ME31 is equipped with DI filtering function, which can set the filtering range from 1 to 16 millisecond, and the filtering range can be configured in different steps by software. Setting register 0x04B1 can set the filtering parameters. Analog AI input ME31. 0 to 20 mA and 4 to 20 mA acquisition range can be set. Use signal generator input AI1 and GND 5 mA current output from signal generator. Using the NetAssist software, query the AI shaping value register 0x0064 to see the 5 mA current input. At the same time, the A1 port in the OLED screen shows the current input current in real time. DO port, level, pulse and follow modes can be implemented. Pulse mode can support 50 to 65535 millisecond, and follow mode can follow the DI port status. Level mode can be manually switched. We use an AC light bulb to simulate actual use. The AC firewire is connected to the COM1 port of ME31, one end of the bulb is connected to the NO1 port of ME31, and the other end of the bulb is connected to the AC0 wire. We change the DO1 working mode to pulse mode, set the pulse interval to 3000 millisecond, and send the command. Turn on the switch and you can observe that DO1 automatically disconnects after 3 seconds. After changing the working mode to follow mode and send ING the command, press the switch, DO1 turns on, release the switch, DO1 turns off. ME31 supports the standard Modbus protocol. When we use TCP configuration, the detailed command set can be found in the user's manual. ME31 is equipped with physical keys to set IP, mask, gateway, port, Modbus address, baud rate, data bits, stop bits, parity bits and language via keys. It can also be configured via the host computer. If you use RS485 connection, you can view the ME31 series tutorial, RS485 connection.